Walking in heels is a skill that combines posture, balance, confidence, and control. It can transform the way you carry yourself, add elegance to your presence, and elevate your outfit. But just like any other skill, walking in heels requires the right technique, a bit of practice, and patience. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to polish your stride, this step-by-step guide will help you walk in heels gracefully and without discomfort. Step 1. Choose the right pair of heels. Start with a heel that fits well and provides stability. Beginners should aim for low to medium heel, around 1.5 to 3 inches, a chunky heel, or a wedge for better balance. A closed toe designed to keep your foot in place, an ankle strap, or secure fit to prevent slipping. Avoid stilettos and high pumps if you're just starting. Walking in very high heels takes practice and should come later. Comfort is key. If the shoes are too tight, too loose, or poorly designed, they'll throw off your balance. Step 2. Wear your heels at home first. Before you ever wear heels outside, break them in at home. Walk around on different surfaces, tiles, carpets, and hardwood. Practice standing still and shifting your weight. Wear them for short periods, increasing the time gradually. This helps your feet get used to the height, and you'll begin to understand how your body needs to move. You'll also spot any problem areas, pinching toes, slipping heels, or sore arches, and adjust accordingly. Step 3. Perfect your posture. Posture makes a massive difference in how you walk in heels. Good posture not only helps with balance, but also reduces fatigue. Stand tall with your head held high. Relax your shoulders back and down. Keep your chest lifted and spine straight. Avoid sticking out your buttocks or leaning forward. Think of a string pulling you upward from the crown of your head. A straight posture distributes weight evenly and keeps you from wobbling. Step 4. Place one foot in front of the other. This is one of the biggest secrets to walking elegantly in heels. Always place one foot slightly in front of the other as you walk. Not too much, just enough to create a natural, confident sway. Land on your heel first, then roll forward to the ball of your foot. Push off with your toes. Keep your steps small and controlled. Avoid stomping or dragging your feet. If you're used to walking with your feet side by side, this change might feel strange at first, but it's essential for fluid movement. Step 5. Take small, measured steps. The higher the heel, the shorter your stride should be. Trying to take big, long steps in heels can cause imbalance and fatigue. Keep your pace steady, not too fast, not too slow. Don't rush. Walking in heels is about elegance, not speed. Step into your favorite pair and take it one stride at a time.